Yo, what up guys? Back to another awesome video here. Just wanted to show you what I just got in the mail today. It was a nice little treat after working all day. Got me a little present here from ReBadge Design. If you guys don't know who this guy is, he does custom badges for you. His name's Nate. Really cool fella. Will do anything that you want, right down to the specs. As for custom initials right there, threw them in. Wanted the shaker all in black, black hash marks, different tones of black, flat black and gloss black. Got it done. Man, this dude's amazing. I've worked with him before on my last Challenger. Did great work. Continues to do miraculous stuff. So, quick replacement, you know. I've been changing these. I've never been really too fond of this big chrome right here. So, just depending on the time, I've had it white. We've done all black. Done various camos. Well, the day is here. Finally going to replace it permanently. Put this black one in there. Okay, it's going to be pretty simple here. You're just going to have to pry this one off. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm sure we could just pull it. Let's see. There we go. A little tugging, it should come out. There we go, you see it? It's in there a little bit tougher than I thought. Let's see. Well, I figured tugging at it wouldn't pop it out. All right, guys, let me see what I'm going to have to do to pull this out. Be right back with you. So apparently, you got these little stubby little guys in the back that sink in here. And this is what's holding it. And this is how come it's so tight. It doesn't want to come out. And these are every so often. Look at, you see them? See it right there. And that's been happening too. The horn's been going off like crazy. But I think we're finally on a roll here. Alright, there we go. So another thing that I've been doing, bringing the little pry tool here, just pry it on up from the corners, pull it on out. You know, I'm pretty far now, and I could just yank it. Oh, there goes that. I guess it's a good thing that wasn't going to go back in, because it's gone. Man, you're actually going to have to use quite a bit of force on this thing. I mean, don't worry about it. You got yourself a brand new one. Way cleaner than this nasty silver one. All right. And there goes that. So, what you need to do next is go ahead and just come back in. Clean this all up. I like to use a little bit of, you know, some alcohol right here. Little Q-tip. Clean it right up. All right, guys, so we're back. It's cleaned up, ready to go. You know what I really wish? I wish that they would have done, instead of it being Dodge, see, they took the time to put the shaker on this side. Let's see. Now, if they would have done that right in the center here, that would have made it so much better. Well, got something for that. If you see this right here, shaker, baby. Hell yeah. So let's get these installed. I mean, this would be pretty simple, cut and dry. I mean, pull off this sticker, piece it around. We'll slap the other one in the middle. Be right back. All right, guys, check out the final results. Man, it looks amazing. It looks sick. Now it's just black on black. Now we got these black accents to match those black accents. The whole theme of the car is coming together. I like it just black and white, but mainly just black. Man, makes it look way more aggressive like that. Yeah, looks dope. So if you guys want to get you a pair, you know, this guy does everything and anything that you guys can think of. All right, his name's Nate. You can reach out to him, ReBadge Design and Graphics. Here's his contact info here. I'm trying to get the light away so you can see it. There you go. Man, this dude's amazing. Again, his name's Nate, and he can do everything and anything that you can possibly think of. Send a big shout outs to him. I mean, man, he really got the car looking nice. This looks amazing. I can't wait to see it in the daylight. I'm stuck in the garage right now. It's dark outside. Can't wait to see it in the morning. All right, guys, thanks for watching.